After the most awful flight I've ever had, I'm at Christchurch Airport and I have a cold while recording these narrations. And it's time for a lift tour. That's the best I can manage. All of the lifts here are Otis Gen 2s. And now to the first one. This lift is located near the international section of the airport. This lift serves 2 floors and, as an added bonus, speaks with the American Otis voice. This is a lift next to the international section at Christchurch Airport. It is an Otis Gen 2. Here it is.
Your attention please. For safety and security, please do not leave your bag.
Who doesn't love a good Otis Gen 2?
Ground.
Well, what's your indicator going up? Not sarcastic. There it goes, and that's it. Now to the lift in the middle of the airport. This is a nice scenic lift, but the only thing that it actually looks is the car park. This lift also speaks with the American Otis voice. This is the glass lift in the middle of Christchurch Airport. It's a nice glass lift. Watch out, the door's going down. Then you can see the floor indicator at the same time. Again with the American voice. And we'll watch out the window going up. Can't see any planes though, but you can see the car park. And over here. Next to the lift by the turboprop plane gates. This lift is the one that wasn't working when I was last here. This lift also serves an extra level, but this is staff only. And again, we have the American Otis voice. Here we come to some lifts at Christchurch Airport. That one's staff only, that one's public. This one was broken last time. Buttons this side for public use. It's a Gen 2.
Ground.
American voice. Please use the level 1 button on the other side.
Going up.
Going up. Doesn't sound so good in my accent, does it? There's an indicator on this side as well. And here we are at 1. Like I said, this is the lift that was broken last time I filmed here, so nice to be able to ride it at last. There it goes. And that's it. Lastly, we go to the car park. There are 2 lifts here, and these are not the same as the others. These lifts are European style Otis Gen 2s as opposed to the Asian style ones, and these ones don't talk. These are Christchurch Airport's massive car park lifts. And these are European Otis Gen 2s. Now these ones don't talk. They feel smaller than I remember. Then again, it's been a long time though since I was last. Here we are at car park level 3. People might get in when we get down to ground, so let's try and have these lifts to ourselves. This lift to ourselves. Here we are at ground. No, we've still got it to ourselves, so we'll take it up again. Big? Oh no. somebody might have called it. They used to have colour coded for numbering here. Capacity 2,000 kgs, 26 persons. Installed in 2006. Now just down to ground. These are some really nice European style Otis Gen 2s. And here we are back at ground. And that's it.